Ever pondered how financial wellness can be influenced by the cosmic world of zodiac signs? Welcome to Mystic Metrics, where we believe in a unique approach to financial wellness that's both intriguing and effective. At Mystic Metrics, we don't simply follow traditional methods or norms. Rather, we explore the mystic world of star signs and astrology, deciphering traits and tendencies that others might overlook. We trust that each zodiac sign holds a unique power, a power that can reveal secrets to financial success and stability. Our team of astrologers doesn't just predict your horoscope. We plunge deep into your zodiac traits, interpreting the narrative they shape about your financial health. Each zodiac sign, each celestial attribute plays a crucial role in understanding your financial wellness. And we are here to assist you in realizing that potential. Our approach isn't about instant remedies or standard solutions. It's about comprehending the ebb and flow of your zodiac signs on your financial life. It's about discovering equilibrium in your astrological traits, enabling you to make enlightened decisions that lead to financial wellness. We hold firm that financial wellness isn't just related to the sum of money in your bank account. It's about comprehending your zodiac traits and applying their wisdom for a financially secure and rewarding life. It's about tranquility in your financial decisions, rooted in a profound understanding of your unique astrological traits. At Mystic Metrics, we're not just about celestial bodies. We're about the mystical power of the zodiac. We're about utilizing that power to help you attain your financial objectives and aspirations. So, are you prepared to plunge into the magical world of zodiac-driven wealth? Are you ready to decode the secrets of your financial well-being through the lens of your zodiac sign? Give Mystic Metrics a try. Unearth the enchantment of your celestial traits in your financial. Uncover the potency and potential of a unique approach to financial wellness. Immerse yourself in the mystical world of Mystic Metrics and see where it takes you. Join us today.